15 minutes is equal to 5-kilometer walk. Stay fit without the run. Struggling with a busy schedule and a poor diet, which highlights the importance of CBuy's Wingzi blood circulation machine BCM. Using this machine for just 15 minutes provides equivalent benefits of a 5-kilometer jog or 2 hours of exercise. It is a sophisticated device that combines the principles of acupuncture, massage, vibration, infrared and magnetic therapies to improve overall well-being. It boosts circulation, helps to manage the diabetes and blood pressure. Weight management supports obesity reduction through full body stimulation. Versatile relief, stand to burn calories or sit to relieve back pain and piles. By accelerating blood circulation, it aids in controlling hormones, obesity and blood pressure, while also preventing blood clots and reducing cholesterol. Furthermore, it stimulates internal organs, relieves body pain and offers a practical remedy for those who suffer from piles, making it a scientifically backed tool suitable for people of all ages. This machine is highly versatile and can be used in different positions to target specific health concerns. You can stand on it for 5 minutes for a full body workout, use it while seated for piles relief, or lie down to specifically target and reduce belly fat. Whether you are looking to manage back pain or simply improve your daily activity levels, CBuy's Wingzi BCM offers a comprehensive and convenient solution to modern health challenges. Don't let health issues hold you back. Start your journey to a healthier, pain-free life today. Contact us now to get started.